Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. In today's video I'm going to talk about chicken watering. I have just 4 sweet hens that lay many eggs here in eastern coastal Florida, and I don't like to have to refill the watering vessels too often. So this might seem like common sense to you, but if you're getting chickens or considering getting chickens, I would recommend going with the 5-gallon version rather than the 1-gallon version, just by simple math. 5 times less effort to fill it up over and over and over. It might seem like a minor thing, but it is a game changer. And these chickens appreciate it because one thing that chickens need is lots of fresh water all the time. They have this beautiful shaded area to live in, so it's like chicken paradise. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up, check out Jedi Jingle Maker.